Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you easy way to transfer data from your ZTE Axon 9 Pro to other Android device. So just start by pressing the application. I will use Clone It. And now you have to press Sender on the Axon and Receiver on the other Android device. Press Search again. And now just wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, is Android shard. This is our Axon, so press on it and now input the password. Password is here. And now just confirm it by pressing connect. And we have to wait and accept the request by pressing OK. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that you can import from this device to this device, but this is only example, so I will pick 2 pictures. And I will take pictures of the Huawei P30 Pro. I press start. OK. And as you can see, it's complete. But of course I will show you that these 2 pictures are in this phone. And as you can see, they are here. So I hope you guys enjoy, and just leave subscription, likes, and of course comments below. See ya!